Hello family. Today we're going to make easy pecan pie bars. Come join me. Thanks for watching the whole video. So I found this recipe on Betty Crocker website. I thought, hey, I'm going to try that. So what I did was I sprayed a 13 by 9 inch pan with cooking spray, and I've got the oven on 350. And now, okay, so now I'm going to add, I've got the butter in there, and I'm going to add one pouch of 17.5 of Betty Crocker sugar cookie mix. Probably going to be using my hands for this. I'm also going to add to that 1 egg. And now I'm just going to use my hands to mix it all together. This is when you need gloves. I mean, if you don't have gloves, well, you can just wash your hands. But and I always wash my hands even before I put gloves on. It's automatic with me. Okay. Now what we're going to do, get all the crumbs off anyway. I'm going to get my pan. I'm going to spread this around in the pan here. Try to get it equal, because we want to pat this down, press it in there. Supposed to use floured hands, but it's working fine without flour here. Probably because of the gloves, I don't know. Okay, I think I got it pretty much straight. Okay, here we go. Now we're going to put this in the oven, 350 for 20 minutes, and then we'll be back. Okay, while that's baking, I'm going to have this ready to pour over the hot crust. Got 1 cup of brown sugar, packed, of course. All right. I don't know, but does anybody but me? I like to have buttered toast. I like to have brown sugar on buttered toast. To me, that's like, and then you can add cinnamon to it when you're hungry for a cinnamon roll, but you don't have it. All right, now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of flour. One-half teaspoon of baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla or salt. And 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Okay. I'm going to add 2 eggs. I'm just going to give this a quick mix here. Now I'm going to add 1 1/2 cups of chopped pecans. That's about 1 1/2 cups. I'm just going to leave this here until it comes out of the oven. And what we're going to do then is we're going to pour this over the hot crust. Okay, we'll see you then. Okay, I forgot to unpause my microphone or my camera. So I poured this over it and I just spread it out. Just like that. I'm going to put it back in the oven for 15 minutes. Okay, came out of the oven and it is set. So I'm just going to let it cool. There you go. First bite. Got to get you in focus here. Good. I like it better than pecan pie. That sugar cookie crust, yummy. Thanks for joining me today. See you next time for something different. And remember, stay busy and serve others. Bye for now.